Hello everybody, AJ Reisig here. Today we have another Solus tutorial. After doing the Solus software video, I realized that I had neglected to talk about third-party software. Now, third-party software is software that for some reason or another, be it copyrights or whatever licensing issues, uh, it cannot be included in the Solus repository. So what the third party software is stuff that it's being downloaded from the home website for that particular whatever that piece of software is. It's being downloaded from there, created into a Solus package, and then installed on your system. So it's a really, it's for the most part, most pieces of third party software are not difficult to install, and there's a few that can be installed through the software center. Others you're going to need to use the command line to do it, but for the most part they are not all that difficult to install, and I'll show you where you can get the instructions on how to install all these pieces of software, and we'll do a few examples and move on from there. Several pieces of third-party software can be installed through the software center. So let me go and open up the software center, and you just come down to where it says third party. You can see them all listed here, and the list is growing and growing of what can be installed through here. Not every piece that is available, but there's a fair number, and it's real simple to install, just like any other piece of software in the software center. Like, let's say for example this WPS Office Suite. I want to install that one since I'm doing a review on it soon. So I'm going to click installed, put in your password, let it do its thing, and boom, you're done. Now, just one word of warning: as compared to the I guess you could say non-third-party software, sometimes it does take a while to wait on these pieces of software to install. So you are not limited to just installing the few pieces of third-party software that are listed in the software center. There's a lot more available, but you are going to have to install those via the command line. Now, all the instructions on how to do that are on the Solus homepage, or actually within the wiki. So let me open up Firefox here, and if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, go to documentation, and that takes you to the wiki. Go under software, and you can see here it lists a whole bunch of things here. You got Chrome, Gnome Shell, Java, Minecraft, Steam, VirtualBox, but right here it lists third-party applications. Go to there, and it lists a ton of different third-party applications. All you need to do is copy and paste these instructions into the command line. So let me go to Scrivener, because that is a piece of writing software that I use. So we got that open, and let me get the terminal going, and I'll make the font a little bit bigger so y'all can see it. Okay, and so like I said, you can just copy and paste, do it one line at a time. Put in our password, and allow it to download. Now, in all these third-party softwares, it's downloading from the source, so it's not coming from like it's not coming from the Solus repositories. It's coming, in this case, it's downloading right from the Scrivener website. Okay, so anyway, it's downloaded that, it's created the package. Now we need to install that package. So we'll copy and paste this next line. Paste it in. And yes, there are extra packages due to dependencies. Do you want to continue? Yes. And from that point on, it's just a matter of sitting and waiting for it to install. Boom, there we go. Well, that pretty much finishes up this video. Hope you found it useful. As always, leave comments, questions, all that kind of stuff down below, and I'll try to get to it as soon as possible. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Thanks a lot.